Hi everyone, my name's Carly Bartle. I'm your independent Scentsy consultant. I join my beautiful daughter Sophie today as she reviews Scentsy Counter Clean. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's meet the Ginger Ninja.
Hello everybody, and today we are talking about a special Scentsy coming right at you. So first we're going to talk about this beautiful counter cleaner that we probably some use, not all of you. Some of you don't even know what Scentsy is. So this is a beautiful counter cleaner, hibiscus water. I'm right. Oh, that's really hard to read. Sorry, camp language. And it's a nice spelling, so let me like show you how it works. You can get Scentsy wax warmers. Scentsy basically sells everything except money. Or sometimes it does giveaways. You can enjoy it if you want. Most of the time, you get a little gift if you don't win. Then you sweep that by. Voila. It is shiny. Oh my gosh, I can see my own reflection in it. That's sick. And this is the cleanest thing, and if you're wondering what happened to me today, which is very exciting, I lost 2 teeth in one day. So one of them just woke up and I'm just like, Mum, there's something on my tongue. And it was a tooth. And the next thing, I yanked my tooth out while I was eating an Egg McMuffin in the car. And I'm just like, Mum, I yanked out my tooth. And if you were wondering about whose house this is my nan's, and it's full of spiders. Yes, beautiful. And if you look closely, there's a web. You can see that. You can see that. That is a spider, my friends. And so it cleans good on everything. So if you want, you clean it a different day. You spray it on there. So you don't spray the counter first. I spray the counter first. And it's good for cleaning everything. It's good for cleaning around desks, because you know how much rust that can cause sometimes, even kettles. It can use on everything, that stained. But just don't do it while it's on. Note to self, don't do it while it's on. Now, I don't know what price this is, but it is pretty good. It does the job, so buy it if you want. Sure. I don't blame ya, it's good.